Hey Facebook family, all right, today is Friday, and Friday means we get to try and help another animal find a home for adoption. Today we've got Carver, and Carver is a 3-year-old cat who weighs, I believe it was 13 to 18 pounds. I apologize, I can't remember right now off the top of my head. And Carver is looking for a new home. He just made his appearance on Fox13, and he's kind of a shy cat, so we're leaving him in the kennel right now. But he's super affordable. Carver's only $25, which includes getting microchipped, neutered, and the vaccination shot, which is a phenomenal investment for $25 because you don't have to worry about paying for those things afterwards. He already has, been neutered and microchipped, and so for $25, you get, Carver and all of the above. So definitely, if it's something that you're thinking about adopting a new family member to your household, then Carver here, and you can see he's so shy, he doesn't even want to look at the camera. He was very shy when we were actually on at the studios. He was definitely not enjoying all the lights and cameras. But if you're thinking about adopting another animal into your family, Carver here, you can see super chill, super relaxed, just wants to kind of hang out, and I think he'd be a great addition to your family. So on that note, consider Carver, and you can check him out at the Utah Humane Society. He's got a profile on the website, and like I said, for $25, he's already neutered, microchipped, and vaccination shot. That is so affordable to get all of the above for only $25. You get the cat and all of that. So thanks, guys, for watching, and I hope you all have a spectacular weekend.